So I'm working on this game. As you can see, this is the game, okay? And this is your main character, okay? And you can move this character left, right, top, bottom. And you need to save yourself from all these monsters like this. These monsters are like, trying to catch you, okay? So you need to save yourself. And you can see once the monster touch with our character, main character, the game will over. So this is how the game will work. Okay, we can add more features as like sounds we can add. I'm gonna add here the scores also in the top. So I'm gonna create this overall game. So I need some suggestions from your side also, what type of features you need in this game. Tomorrow I'm gonna publish this full game. Okay, so if you have any suggestion on this game, so just comment on the video. I'll try to implement all your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.